can even undergo ionization at equilibrium.
Yeah. So in case of stronger weak acids, so we expect some dissociation, right? Some dissociation. So in case of weak acid, as you know that there is little dissociation. So what happens at equilibrium conditions? So as it becomes undissociated molecule only, right? So then what happen next? In dilute solution, the concentration of water, and here we taken a weak acid in as aqueous media. Aqueous nothing but what? Water only, right? So it is becomes a dilute solution. So the concentration of water is large compared with the undissociated ions, right? Why? Because little dissociation, right? So the concentration of water becomes large compared to a dissociated ion, right? So hence it is considered as a constant only, right? H2O is treated as constant term. Okay. So then combine this constant with Kc. So you will get a new constant, that is Ka, right? Ka, that is equal to what? The concentration of H3O plus and concentration of A minus. So divided by the concentration of weak acid. So just neglect the term H2O. Why? Because it is present in excess, right? Just taken as a constant, just neglect the term. Okay. So now, a simpler way of expression above equation, that is equal to Ha dissociating to H plus and A minus ion, right? Ha is nothing but what? Weak acid, right? Weak acid. Okay, so here the dissociation constant K, so can be represented like that: the concentration of H plus and the concentration of A minus divided by concentration of a weak acid, nothing but He, right? So now, so okay, as you know that, yeah, okay. So now just need to know how to calculate the pH. So for weak acid in an aqueous solution, okay, just take that. So as you know that the Ka, like that, concentration of H plus and A minus, that is over a concentration of Ha only. Okay, as you know that the ions formed in equal amount. So here the H plus ion concentration and A minus ion concentration, that becomes equal, right? So just taken that one, Ka, that is equal to what? Here the H plus ion concentration and A minus both are equal. So that it becomes the concentration of H plus ion square, right? Look at this. Concentration of H plus ion becomes square, right? So rearranging this equation, you will get. So as you know that if you want to calculate the pH, first you have to know the concentration of H plus ion, right? So just take it out this, the concentration of H plus ion. That is H plus, the concentration of H plus ion square, that is equal to what? The concentration of weak acid into acid dissociation constant, that is Ka, right? That is Ka. So here the just multiplied with the square root, right? Concentration of H plus, that is equal to what? Square root of Ha, the concentration of Ha into Ka, nothing but acid dissociation constant, right? So as you know that pH depends on concentration of H plus ion, right? Concentration of H plus ion. So here just take the example here, the calculating pH of weak acid. So calculate the pH of weak acid is Hx of concentration 0.1 molar. So here the acid dissociation constant value is given, that is equal to what? 4 into 10 to the power of minus 5 moles per dm cube, right? So here the weak acid Hx dissociated as follows: Hx dissociate into H plus and X minus. Don't get confused. Ha is also okay, Hx is also okay, no problem. Okay, both are weak acid representations only. Okay, as you know that dissociation constant for a weak acid is given by what? Ka is equal to the concentration of H plus and X minus divided by the concentration of weak acid, right? That is Hx. Okay, then substitute for X minus constant X minus as ion form in equal amount. So then rearrange the equation here, right? Then you will get the concentration of H plus, that is equal to square root of the concentration of weak acid into Ka, right? The concentration of weak acid into Ka. So just put the values and let you just inform me. So what is the value of pH you will get? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Just input the values for that one. Just tell me then what is the value of pH?
Sir, is it minus 2.7?
69.
Negative
Yeah,
pH you get anyway.
Positive.
2.69. 2.7.
2.7 na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's check. 2.7, yeah, exactly. Okay, here the concentration of H plus that is equal to what? As you know that concentration of weak acid 0.1, right? Here square root of 0.1 into, so acid dissociation constant value that is given, right? That is given only. So that is 4 into 10 to the power of minus 5. So moles per dm cube. Then you will get the final answer that is 2.6, nothing but 2.7. So is it weakly acidic or strongly acidic? Here you don't know the which acid present in this, right? So just know the pH value. Based on that, you just tell me. So whether the acid is strongly acidic in nature or weakly acidic in nature. 2.6, 2.7L. Can you hear me? Hello?
Strongly acidic.
Strongly acidic in nature. Okay. So this is how we are going to calculate the pH. So with respect to weak acid or else weak base. Okay. Weak acid or else weak base. Okay. So I will continue next class. So just remember, so in case of strong acid and strong bases, we are going to calculate the pH.
By knowing their concentration.
Yeah, by just knowing the initial concentration of a weak acid or else, sorry, strong acid or else strong base, right? So then how we are going to calculate the pH for weak acid as well as weak bases? Is it possible to calculate by just knowing the initial concentration? Yes or no?
No, sir.
So then how we are going to calculate for weak acid and weak bases?
We need the dissociation constant, that is the extent of dissociation of weak acid or weak base.
Okay, so that will give us the concentration of H plus and that is equal to what? Square root of Hx into Ka, right? Square root of, just remember this equation. The concentration of H plus and that is equal to square root of Hx into Ka. Okay, where Hx is, the concentration of Hx is, what is that? Concentration of Hx.
The
What did
molarity.
it, the concentration of what? Concentration of what?
Concentration of given acid.
Given acid, nothing but a weak acid. Okay, Ka is nothing but what? Ka. What is that?
Dissociation constant.
Dissociation constant, right? So that is given. Yeah, they will given. They will give, no problem. Okay, acid dissociation constant they will give. So just need to calculate the pH of weak acid or weak base according to this equation. Okay, so I will continue in next class. Any doubts in that? Any doubts in that?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. You just log out then.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.